What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach and Kellen, and we're out here in Nashville, Tennessee, doing a killer home theater for this customer here. We have a 7.2.4 Focal 1000 series already installed, looking
JVC
good.
Projector.
The new JVC NZ900 in the house. Absolutely stunning 8K picture. We've got our subs hooked up. We're kind of to the point to where we're getting close to enjoying this system. This is going to be a quick unboxing video on the Strong FS Series rack. This is a Dream Media top pick here, guys. We absolutely love this thing. I've been using this exact rack now for about a decade. A lot of these in the field. I'm gonna be going over in today's video some of the key reasons why I choose this rack and why we install it on so many projects. If you guys are interested in purchasing racks, surge protection, cabling, brackets for pre-wiring, or anything home theater related, all the way down to the projectors, screens, TVs, amplifiers, and speakers, Dream Media has you covered. We're a one-stop shop for everything that you need, and we're nationwide. We not only create informative DIY videos, but we also have preferred installers in 28 different states to help you get it put in if you don't want to DIY. All right, guys, well, in today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing and overview of this FS Series rack. I'm actually gonna pass it off to Kellen. Kellen's our national sales director, and he's probably sold about 10,000 of these.
Maybe not 10,000.
A lot of units. So he knows this thing in and out, and we'll kind of open it up and show you what's going on, as well as you can head over to our YouTube, subscribe, and see the full installation video on this beautiful project here in Nashville. Key things that I love, number one, it comes fully assembled, guys. Nothing is worse than, like, you know, we've been here for a full 15-hour day yesterday.
Yep.
Something like that. Today, we're coming back to hook everything up. I would hate to spend 4 or 5 hours assembling a rack right now. Not fun. A lot of the cheaper racks that you're gonna see, although the cost is lower, what you find is you make up for it in time spent. With these, what you see right now, guys, it literally ships to the door just like this. Install time, you're saving big money there. Number two is the fact that everything you need to get started is already included. We got nice fans put in the top for ventilation. It's extremely important whenever you're running your audio video equipment that you ventilate it, keeping it nice and cool. Can't tell you how many times we see AVRs just smashed into a cabinet and they overheat and burn up. We want your components, all of your devices in your home, to last as long as possible. Here at Dream Media, we sell things like, you know, fan kits as well as surge protection. I really like the fact that all panels are included all the way around. It's fully enclosed and it has this beautiful glass door on it. Kellen's gonna demonstrate it for you in just a moment. It has shelves included. Of course, you may need specialty shelves depending on the components that you're putting in. But in addition to that, it also has these really nice wheels and casters built into the bottom that you can lock, and it just makes it really super easy to service.
So as Zach stated, you know, this is pretty much an all-in-one solution. We did go ahead and take the box off of this unit to help carry it up the stairs. But essentially what you see is how it arrives fully put together. Really all you have to do is tear off the cardboard. There's some punch-out panels along the top and along the back there. The sides and the rear panels have latches, so they are removable.
See how easy that access is, guys, when you're dressing your cables and stuff. Sometimes it's easier just to take all the panels off, which, you know, we're about to start installing it, Kellen, so maybe you just pop all the side panels off so we can take a close look at this thing. So all those panels pop right off. You can see on the back, there is a hole at the bottom of that back panel. You want to bring all your wiring in through that bottom hole at the bottom of the rack, or you can do the punch out right here at the top.
It's on casters. That's why you're able to maneuver it pretty easily. The front two are lockable, so if you want to slide this back into a space with proper ventilation, you can lock it into place if you'd like. Again, the front door here is also removable. There's different sizes of this rack. There's the 15U, the 21U, the 27, the 32, and the 45. Most equipment will have from the manufacturer how tall they list it in units. There's rack mounting hardware for that stuff. Rack mountable items will have how tall they're listed, and then you can basically add everything up. We can do that work for you as well. If you're consulting with us and building a unit, we will specifically kind of map out, you know, how much ventilation you need in between spots, you know, the surge protection that goes in there, network switches, the whole shebang. This is the 21U, so it does come with 3 2U shelves. These will hold about 30 to 35 pounds each. If you have heavier equipment, you know, large amplifiers, processors, heavy equipment, always try to source from the manufacturer. If you're buying it from us, we'll also, you know, track down the manufacturer's rack mounting hardware for those units, and or getting shelves that are adequate to hold that weight. So some of them have rear mounting points to help hold the weight. This one doesn't go all the way back, but some of the shelves that hold the heavier weights will extend further back or have extensions, rails, supports that go front to back to help hold the weight.
Right here, this is Kaleidoscape. This is our best-selling #1 in the industry movie player for lossless reference level audio video. That's going to be absolutely next level for our higher end home theaters to ensure that they're not relying on streaming. You can see we have this rack mount kit on it to where it can just bolt right in. All of this stuff's custom, guys, so we can really make that rack look absolutely stunning. Back here, guys, is our surge protector that we're going to be mounting inside of the unit. So as you can see, it's got a little digital readout of our line voltage. This actually is just like the face plate. It'll give you a voltage readout with current meters, dual USB charging, and it has an AC outlet on it, as well as a power cord for RJ45. And you're gonna take the RJ45 connection to this unit over here. This is a WATTBOX 600. It's a 10 outlet, 5,400 joules is how power filtration, surge protection is gauged. That's basically how much it can handle if your house gets hit by lightning. What's great about these surge protectors is they have guarantees built in. So like if anything happens to your equipment and it's connected to this unit, WATTBOX will replace that equipment. 2 filters, 12 volt, 2 coax, and Ethernet. You guys check it out. Nice little surge protector. We're gonna put all of our components right into this thing. And then we're gonna take our display link right here, RJ45 and power, out to our faceplate, which is gonna live on the front of the unit. So these will actually be moved to the front to make everything aesthetically look nice. And this unit here will end up being bolted like this. So then what we can do is make all our connections nice and easy. All right, guys, now I'm over here in the Rack's home. Although this looks like an attic, it's actually completely insulated with this spray foam. It is gonna be climate controlled. That's really important to notate. You don't wanna go putting your rack into an attic. Right over here, we have all of the home's wiring. There's a bunch of different zones. We got Cat 6 ran throughout the entire home for data, as well as access points. Every TV location gets Cat cables, 2 Cat cables and a coax on our builds here at Dream Media. Then there's speaker wires going to all the different locations throughout the home. In addition to, we have a 7.2.4 Atmos theater wired right over here. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start bolting stuff in. All right, guys, so just based off of the way that the wiring is coming in and the length of the run that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this top punch out right here and bring my wires in right up the top. And these vents right here that are on the back, I'm gonna move them to the front. right, guys, just wanted to give you an update on how this rack build's coming along. As you can see, we reconnected our modem up here and the customer-owned router. Got our Marantz AVR installed here. We got our surge protector here and our faceplate installed, Kaleidoscape, Sonos amp, an Apple TV, and then we're gonna put in a Blu-ray and a PS5 as well down here. I put all of the networking cables for the house right here because the networking guy is gonna come behind us and terminate all those and put in the switch.
So yeah, we got all the speakers toned out. We've got them all labeled. We've got these amazing speaker snaps on our lines. So now we're just loosely roughing them in. We're gonna come back and completely dress the rack once the network guys are in and out of here. We'll make this thing look a lot neater and nicer, but for now, we're just gonna go ahead, cut everything roughly to length, get everything plugged in.
This is kind of a multi-phase project. Obviously, we've been kind of overseeing it for about a year now to the construction phase. Now we're to the point of our initial installation, and we'll have to come back to do the seating once the carpet's been replaced. He's doing new carpeting as well as once all the networking is put in. All right, Dream Media family, well, that is a wrap on our quick unboxing of the Strong FS Series rack. And this is a Dream Media top pick. This is a product we use every single day in the field. We're honored to offer it to you guys. These racks are very custom. When you're building your very own system, not only can we help with the full system design internally within the theater, everything from equipment selection, seating charts, seating screen size, sight lines, speaker layout, as well as aesthetics. If you guys want to join our Dream Media Plus program, we can actually aesthetically overhaul the whole room too, doing things like sound isolation, acoustics. We sell all of the rack gear. So literally start to finish, guys, we want to make sure that every single little detail is thought out so that your theater shines. A well-built theater can really be the heart of a home and bring the family together. It's been at least a year or two since I've made a video on this product, and you guys buy it every single day, and we're extremely thankful for that. But we just wanted to bring to the attention of new customers that we don't just sell speakers and projectors, we sell it all. All right, Dream Media family, well, hope you got some insight here. I mean, I could literally drag this video out talking about all the intricate things such as banana plugs and RCA cables coming in, the type of wiring that we're using. The devil's in the details. When you're building a home theater, you need a pro who understands how to do every single step properly. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.